Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can prevent changes to your worksheets and workbooks in Excel. If worksheet protection is turned on, you cannot change any information in cells that are locked. This is a nice feature, but it renders the worksheet useless because all worksheet cells are locked by default. Therefore, before you protect your worksheets, you must first unlock the cells where data entry will occur. To unlock worksheet cells, select the cells you know people will need to change within the worksheet to protect. Then click the Format Cells dialog box button in the lower right corner of the Font button group on the Home tab of the ribbon to open the Format Cells dialog box. In the Format Cells dialog box, click the Protection tab. Then click the checkbox in front of the word Locked to remove the check from the box and unlock those cells. Then click the OK button to close the Format Cells dialog box. Alternatively, click the Format button in the Cells button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select the Lock Cell command from the drop-down menu to unlock the selected cells. After unlocking the desired cells in the worksheet, you can then apply worksheet protection. Separately from this method of unlocking worksheet cells, you also have a tool that lets you create specified ranges of editable cells into which users can perform data entry within a protected worksheet if they have the password you specify. If there are ranges of cells you want some users to access, but not most users, you can specify an editable range of cells in the worksheet and then password protect it. After worksheet protection has been applied, people who want to perform data entry within the selected cell range are prompted to enter the password to make the selected cell range editable. This is different from unlocking worksheet cells because these cells are read-only for users who lack the password to edit them, while unlocking cells makes them editable for all users. To create an editable cell range and apply password-protected cell editing instead, select the range of worksheet cells to which to apply password-protected cell editing. Then click the Allow Edit Ranges button in the Protect button group on the Review tab of the ribbon to open the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box. Then click the New button at the right side of the dialog box to open the New Range dialog box. In the New Range dialog box, enter a name for the cell range into the title field. The selected cells appear in the Refers to Cells field. In the Range Password field, type the password that lets users edit the data in this cell range. Then click the OK button. Then retype the password in the next dialog box that appears, and click the OK button within it to confirm the password. Like all passwords, this password should be written down in a secure location, because if you forget it, you will not be able to selectively modify the range while worksheet protection is enforced. The defined cell range then appears in the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box. You can also select a range after creating it, and click the Modify button to change the cell range defined by the title itself, or the password for editing access in the Modify Range dialog box that then appears. You can also select a cell range to delete in the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box, and then click the Delete button at the right side of the Allow Users to Edit Ranges dialog box to delete the definition of the editable range if it is no longer needed. When finished, click the OK button to apply the password-protected cell editing to the editable cell ranges.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.